Hey guys, welcome back again with another short video. Our today's topic is, how to make your PC show drive letters first. As usual, drive letters are shown after the name of drive, as you can see here, but if you want them before the names, you should follow a few easy steps. Here in my computer you can see that drive letters are after the names of drives. And now how to bring them before the names, just follow me. We will search for Registry Editor in the search box here. Now here expand local machine. Click Software, and then Microsoft. Now expand Windows, and then current version. Here you will find Explorer. In the right side, right-click, select New, and then dWord. And give a name to it, Show Drive Letters First. Give 4 as value here. Now here I will refresh my PC and have a look. As I refreshed it, the drive letters are now before the names. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more useful updates, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you in next video. Take care, bye.